Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to merge or combine PDF file in Windows. So first of all, open Chrome browser and go to search option. Type here to I love PDF. Select the first link. Click on to merge PDF. Select PDF file. After that, finally click on to merge PDF and it's ready for to download. Click on to download. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily merge or combine PDF file on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.